When I saw this Earth edit by Heisty, I thought there was no way it could be recreated on mobile. So naturally, I tried anyway. After hours of rebuilding effects and matching every detail, this is what I ended up with. And because I know someone's going to ask for it, yes, the preset is completely free. Just watch till the end and I'll show you how to get it.
A universe filled with billions of planets. Some are silent, forgotten, but there is one that stands untouchable, and we call it the G-O-A.
You don't seem to understand. Earth isn't yours to conquer.
So yeah, Heisty made it on PC. I remade it on Alight Motion. Now it's your turn. The preset is in the description. Go make something crazy with it.